Hello there, what's up, what's going on? This is Tito Paeng and it's time for our easy acoustic guitar tutorial. Let's get it on! First song that I want to share you, Shape of You without Capo. So this is how it goes. Like you have to the C sharp minor and F sharp minor, A, then that's B. That's it. It keeps going all throughout the song like this. You can hammer it like this. The club isn't the best place to find lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and we talk slow. You come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I gave it a chance. Now took my hand, stopped with Phantom Man in the jukebox, and then we start to dance. The strumming is like. Okay, it's just that easy. It's just that easy. Just. So this is the version with capo. Just put the capo on the second fret, and you do the chord B minor, and then E minor, and then G, and then A. So. The club isn't the best place to find lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and we talk slow. That's it. That's pretty easy. So that's one song, easy acoustic guitar lesson. Okay, next song is so the position is G, but you have to use your ring finger here so you can hammer this like. And here it goes. This is how I do it. I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Well, anyway, when it comes to chorus, this is how it goes. From D, baby, I'm E minor. Dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. And you see, G, D, 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 E minor, C, G, D, D, D. Okay, let me show you that. After E minor, C, and then go to verse again. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I share a home. I found love. See, more than just my secrets. There. Okay, and just it goes. Chorus, go back to dancing in the dark minor, C, D, G. Listen in D, I fade. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect. No, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Deserve this. You look perfect tonight. That's the ending. Well, the ending, I made it like sometimes Ed Sheeran also does this. He's like E minor, E minor, D, C, 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 D, D, G. That's it. That's it. It's easy. So, bye.